how to hide or unhide buy sell arrows on chart in TradingView. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TradingView and right click on the chart. After you right click on the chart, you will find different options pop up. In these options, simply click on settings, which is the last option. After you're in settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, simply click on trading. Then scroll down in trading and make sure there's tick mark and execution marks and press on OK. After you do that, it will hide. And to unhide, click on the chart, right click on the chart, click on settings. After you click on settings, click on trading, scroll down and make sure there's no tick mark and execution mark. Press on OK. After you do that, it will unhide. And this is how to hide or unhide buy, sell arrows on chart in TradingView. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.